Hey guys, it's me Pondagal, and in this video you are going to learn a secret method to promote affiliate products from Digistore to make money online. Even if you are a complete beginner, then also you can use this strategy and still be able to make good amount of money online. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and follow along with me. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. And if you have any question, then do ask me in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to visit to this digistore24.com, and if you don't have an account, then simply click on this register now. It will take like 3 to 5 minutes to create your own account on Digistore. So once you create your own account, after clicking on this register now, then you get a special link that is also going to be your affiliate link for the products that are available on Digistore. And once you create your account, then just go to this marketplace. So now we need a specific type of affiliate products from Digistore in this, so that you can use the secret method. And what you can do is you can simply click on this marketplace and scroll below and search for this personal development. So however, you can join any other CPA network, affiliate network, to find the offers that are related to personal development. So because the personal development offers have a mass appeal and it is not too much niche specific, that's why this offer works with this secret method. So now once you see all the offers at here, and it is in your hand which offer you would choose, but I already have chosen one offer that I will be showing you as an example in this video so that you can learn. And that offer is this Wealth Switch best selling $3 EPC offer now on Digistore, brand new proven $3 EPC. So they are claiming that it has a earning per click of $3. Okay, so now let me again refresh this page firstly. Okay, so now if you see here, then this is going to be your affiliate link for Digistore. So let me click here. Yes, that's the affiliate link of your specific affiliate link for this offer. So once you do that much, once you copy this link, then you go to this sales page. So let's open it in new tab, and you will see a video sales letter at here. But what you need to do is, either if you can click on here, then just try to cross it, then you can get this read text version if you are promoting other offer, or you can simply see this, click here for the text transcript. Okay, so now you can simply click on there, and we are going to use some words from this sales page. So because this sales page is written by some copywriters that have lots of experience, and it has a great hook that I can see at here, and this kind of hook can make people stop and read these words, okay, when we start to promote by using our secret method. Now you already have an offer. Now what you need to do is you can visit to your Facebook. Okay, you can visit to your Facebook, or you can also create a new Facebook account, or you may use any other people's Facebook. Okay, so now we are not going to drive, like we are not going to just post and spam link here and there in Facebook. Okay, we are going to follow a specific strategy that I am going to show you right now. So now what you need to do is, in Facebook you need to make a post. Okay, so here you can see this makes a sense. He filed for divorce. Okay, so when it appears suddenly in front of some people, they will of course love to read. Okay, now I'm not saying just to go to your own personal profile and post this. Okay, that's not what we are going to do in this secret method. So just copy this, okay, and see up to where it makes sense. Okay, so if you see here, what happened next is the craziest story you will ever hear. Okay, he filed for divorce. He wanted out of the money hole I created. No matter how many times he'd dig us out, I'd bury us back in again. But everything changed after he met Yuri Gorbunov, and New York Times bestseller and celebrity money mindset expert. What happened next is this crazy story you'll ever hear. So this is a type of short hook. Okay, but you can find any other hook also here that can make people stop and read this text. Okay, and once you copy all of these, then what you can do is just go here and paste it at here, and then what you can do is go to another open link in new tab, and just type FB bold text generator, and also open FB symbol. Just open these two things, just type FB bold text generator and FB symbol. Okay, once you type this FB bold text generator, then click on this yatext.com, just click on it, and what you can do is go to Facebook, copy this, scroll below and paste it at here, and copy any of the bold that you like. Okay, let's copy this one and just delete that at your top, and just paste this bold text at here. And then what you can do is go to this piliapp.com after typing FB symbol in Google, and just go to this Pili app, and then you can just go here and click on this. Okay, click on this and just copy it, go to Facebook and scroll below, and at here last just type see more. Okay, and paste that emoji at here, and then go to your go to your Digistore marketplace. Just go to your Digistore marketplace and copy this link, that is your affiliate link. So once you copy it, now you can use, like, you may use this bit.ly link shortener, or you can also create a simple landing page. But just to show you for this video, you can also paste your link directly, it doesn't matter that much. Okay, you can just paste it in this way, and you'll see this kind of wellswitch.co. So but it is a good practice to use landing page, or if you can use a landing page, then also it is a good practice to use this bit.ly to shorten your link. Okay, so once you do this much, then what you can do is let's make it public. Okay, you need to make it public and just click on post. So now this link is posted at here. So now we are not expecting our friends to come here and click and purchase something and buy. We are not going to expect that. Okay, now what we can do is you can click on this share. Okay, and or what you can also do is you just go to your mobile phone and click on share, and you can easily copy your link for this exact Facebook post. Okay, or what you can also do now is simply click on here and click on this embed. Okay, just click on it, and you will get a code at here. Just copy this full code and go to desktop and open a new notepad. Okay, just paste that full link at here, and then what you can do is from this HTTPS just copy up to where this comma is. Okay, so let me show you properly. From this HTTPS to this much, up to this 500. Okay, there is 2 semicolon, or what is that called. Just copy this much and go to the browser, and let's paste this link at here, and you will see this kind of Facebook post. Okay, so now this is the exact thing that we need. So now once you are able to get this link, if you use mobile phone, then it will be extremely easy to get this link. Okay, so let's say we have got that link already. Now what you need to do is you need to go to a specific site that is called secsers.com. Okay, here it is written secsers.com. so it is a social media panel. Now what you can do here is you can simply visit to this secsers.com and sign up for absolutely free, and then come here and click on this Facebook, and you will see a drop down option at here. Just click on it and go to Facebook post likes and reaction. Okay, select this, and then if you scroll below, then you will see here in below, here you can see share. Okay, Facebook page post share 0.663 per 1000. So for 1000 share you will have to pay this much amount. Okay, and what you can do is you can simply select it and how much share you want. Okay, so you need to put your Facebook post link at here in this way, and then you can just click on this. Okay, so now what you can do is you can simply select it and how much share you want. Okay, so you need to put your Facebook post link at here in this way, and then you can simply select it, and let's say if you want 1,000, then you need to pay this much amount. If you need 10,000, then you need to pay $6.63. So just think about it, 10,000 different Facebook profile will be sharing your that specific post. Okay, that post that I have that we have made in our Facebook profile. So this post will be shared by 10,000 people if you are going to pay $6.63. So now those people who are going to share it may not watch our Facebook post, okay, but they have some friends in that Facebook profile, and some of that friend will see this kind of text and they will stay, and most probably they will click on it. Not everyone is going to click, but the most people from who, if you write this text in nice format, okay, then if it has a nice hook and nice story, and then there is the link, then most probably people will click it, and if that thing relates to them, they may make a purchase and you can generate sale in your Digistore. So in this way you can use this. Now this method is not being used by lots of people, but it works like a charm, and you should definitely try it because it is so cheap. Okay, and now another golden nugget is, this is just a one social media panel. What you can do is, you can just type SMM panel for Facebook share. If you click on, if you write this SMM panel for Facebook share and scroll below, then you can see lots of site where you can purchase this kind of services to share your Facebook post. And you can also find more cheap places to make order even. So let's say just for 100,000 people sharing your post, you just need to pay $66, and you can order anywhere from 100 to 100,000. So if you just order 10,000, then you can just pay $6.63 and get lots of eyeball to your Facebook post. And once, if that product or service is relatable to those audience who are going to watch that story that you are posting in this Facebook, then they will most probably click and purchase. So make sure to make this text enticing. Okay, this must make people stop to read. Okay, and then everything will happen after people go to this video sales later. So guys, I think this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video. And if you are new to this channel, then I'll be bringing more this kind of video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you want to make passive income for lifelong, then do check the first link that is in the description of this video. And this much for today. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.